18 Glorious Green Kitchens Ideas. Kitchen accents in a pale shade of green can invigorate white walls. In this lovely example by Black Lacquer Design, Minty green cabinetry adds to the bright and airy feel of this minimalist kitchen. Note the gold light fixtures and hardware that layer on a touch of luxury. Shades of nature are central to this LEED-certified ranch house by the Chicago area firm Morgani Wilson Architects. The kitchen reflects the home's property, a piece of land with wooded areas. The soft green hue of the kitchen cabinetry complements the outdoor setting while adding to the sense of being surrounded by nature. Super fresh kitchen accents like these spearmint cabinets can feel glamorous when paired with hand-painted Moroccan tiles. The design team at Hausera also added a vintage-inspired crystal chandelier to the mix. Mixing metals is another way to add visual interest. Combining brass cabinet handles with stainless steel appliances and chrome fixtures adds a contemporary spin. We certainly have a soft spot for colorful, vintage kitchens, so we cheered in delight when one fine day shared this cooking space in a home located in the Hollywood Hills. Apple green appliances and checkered green flooring are combined with beautiful blonde wood cabinets and cherry butcher block countertops. All of the features are initially from the mid-century and impressively feel just as stylish today. Emerald green cabinets, gold hardware, and black waterfall countertops stand out against the white tile backsplash to create a bold yet simple statement in this cooking space by Black Lacquer Design. Colorful accents and natural textures were essential to this DIY kitchen makeover by the couple behind Chris Loves Julia. They gave their old kitchen cabinets new life using a beautiful shade of greenish-gray paint called Beguile by Valspar. The color brings out the beauty of the rustic, butcher block countertops. FYI, it took the duo a weekend to take their cooking space from meh to fab. Gorgeous wallpaper will instantly transform any room in your home. This kitchen that doubles as a dining room from one fine stay has walls covered with a whimsical woodland pattern. Notice how the lush green colors really warm up the entire room by bringing out the natural wood and copper tones. Let's face it, while white kitchens have enduring style, their lack of color can also make them feel lifeless and sterile. D2 Interiors came up with a fix for their cooking space. Bold, green light fixtures and a cheerful green patterned curtain brighten up the entire room. The sprinkles on top of this delightful kitchen are the small colorful accents that pick up on the various green tones. Are you looking for a unique way to personalize your space? Consider standard kitchen fixtures in unexpected colors. The avocado green ceramic sink in this cooking space by Hannah D. Interiors announces to the world that the homeowner is truly a decor maverick. Nothing gives a kitchen a relaxed coastal vibe like handcrafted subway tile in a watery shade of green as shown in this kitchen featured on Home Polish. Natural accents from the wood coffered ceiling to the rattan-wrapped dining stools layer on more seaside appeal. Shane Pliska, the owner of an interior landscape service called Plantera, surrounds himself with greenery at home, literally. Not only does he live in a glass house in a forest, but he also has a preference for green furnishings. The cabinetry in his kitchen is just one example. They have a highly reflective surface, which gives the entire space a cheerful lift. Nikiola Green, the interior decorator behind Extraordinary by Design, punched up her black kitchen with a couple of quirky, green accent chairs, which she hung on the wall. The color lends a fresh spark of nature to the cooking space. This bright and colorful kitchen reflects the vibrant family who uses it every day, says the interior design team at Studio Sven. Elevating things is the emerald green ceiling. It is an unexpected jolt of color that energizes the cooking space while throwing focus to the spectacular globe chandelier. Designer Mercedes Austin from Mercury Mosaics says green is a fantastic color for kitchens because it acts like a neutral. That means many materials and hues can readily pair with it depending on the shade of green you pick. Just keep in mind that a vibrant tone of green will instantly energize a space. A softer shade like sea glass will create a coastal vibe. This kitchen by Austin features a deeper shade of green for an edgy twist. We love how it offsets the sky blue base cabinets. Make your kitchen island a complete standout with paint. Here, Lacquer Construction did just that by painting the feature a vibrant shade of green. The hue is a pitch-perfect harmonizer because it unites the brick, leather, iron, and natural wood accents. The lovely green cabinetry in this new kitchen by Build with Rise is true to the home's heritage farmhouse roots while still feeling fresh and modern. Other features that pile on rustic character include the brick oven hood fan, apron front sink, and restored 100-year-old floors. Arguably, most people love farmhouse kitchens for their modern good looks anchored in vintage style. This example by Burnhill Kitchens takes things to the next level with two-tone shaker cabinetry. The lush upper green cabinets pop against the crisp, white beadboard backsplash. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.